Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to replace the battery on Dell Latitude E5570 model. Now on the rear side we have to unscrew all of the screws on the back panel. Then with a sharp tool take out the back panel carefully. I have got a new battery. We will replace it. Now unscrew the screws which hold the battery. Disconnect this connector. Now disconnect the cable from the old battery. Look. And connect to the new battery. Place the cable in its place, then back. Connect the cable. And now, in a reverse order, screw again the screws on the battery, then put back the rear cover, screw the screws, and that's it. So, thank you very much. Good luck.